with bows of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the old-fashioned way, rocking around the Christmas tree, lit the Christmas tree. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie, we'll do some caroling. ating music in the park, the Pasko Fiesta 2024. Please maka-hashtag naman, hashtag sa inyong Facebook account or Instagram account ang music in the park, Pasko Fiesta 2024. Thank you so much. Again, salamat. Here we go.
Walang napapansin ang bawat t-shirts ko. Ilang isaw pa ba kakainin o giliw ko? Ilang tansan pa ba ang ipunin o giliw ko? Gagawin ko ang pieces mo, huwag mo lang ipagkait ang hinahanap ko. Come on, say to me. Sabihin mo lang ko, aking sintay, walang upay na ligaya. Aasahang ibigin ka sa tanghali't sa gabi at umaga. Huwag ka sanang magtanong at magduda, dahil ang puso ko'y walang pangamba. Lahat tayo nabubuhay ng tahimik at buo. One more step! Ligaya. On the top! Is there guys for on the top? Magkaganda-ganda, gamitin-ganda, pagkasaya-saya. Aka'y nagis na pangmalaho na pag-ibig mo sinta. Bakit ka ba ang isang sa mata?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat sa inyong mga palakpakan. Alright, padayon ka. Alright, please stand by to our next DNB, Akada, and Lemon Stripe Band there. They'll be bringing the beat and the fun this Christmas season. Naligaw mo mo? Oo, naligaw mo mag-post gamit ang hashtag Music in the Barn, hashtag Pasko Fiesta 2024 sa inyong mga Facebook o Instagram. Let us see the fun. Follow the Facebook page of Pasko Fiesta Davao to get updates of different events this season. Makisalmog ta sa nagkadaiyang kalibukan karong Pasko Fiesta. Let's make the season stronger, brighter, and happy together. And please stand up to our next band, the Rockology Band. Nandito na ba sila? Ayan, mamaya-maya. And also, the Late Breaker Band. Natin tulong ka banda karon kami una. So, hanggang 10 p.m. ang atong mga banda. Lalaki. Kami nga po pala ang Symphony Acoustic Band. My name is Carla. Thanks for on guitar. Kuya Jidan on drums. If you need events in your events, hapit na ang Christmas parties. Basic na ako po yung mga kalihukan. Any occasion celebrations po. Makanti pa ang among December. Hindi pa kainit ang tong fully booked. You can get our Facebook account, our phone numbers. Ayan. May pakanti pa rin sa among December. Is our wow. That's the song of the song from Spice Girl.
Get you something, I'll make it mine. Let's go back, you don't need a loan. Take that bitch, I run out. Can't swim with you over the line. You know that we could go and find some other. Take a leave it all, just even matter. Getting out crazy, it's just